And even though the holidays are coming our way fast, it's not quite time to say ho, ho, ho just yet, but it is time to say Mamma Mia Monday.
Mamma Mia! Chef Joe Bellia joins us in the Kitchen Concepts kitchen for Mamma Mia Monday. What are we making today, Joe?
Oh, we're doing eggplant rollatini Florentine today.
Oh, rollatini
Florentine. Florentine is spinach. You know,
Okay.
add a little spinach rollatini. Steve, you said that you worked with eggplant before. A lot of people kind of bypass that in the produce aisle. I think they don't know what to do with it. So
Sure.
it's such a versatile vegetable. What we're going to do today is we're going to slice it up. We're going to leave the skin on. You see, I took the two ends off, and we're just going to make a couple of long slices.
Not too thick, right?
No, about a 1/4 inch. There we go. And then we're going to flour, egg, and breadcrumb.
Okay.
Got a little assembly line here.
I love it.
There we go.
I got it under control here.
If you do it with a fork, it's probably easier.
Okay.
Not get your hands dirty.
You talk about that. People don't know what to do with it. Like eggplant
Sure.
parm is really the only thing that I've ever known.
Sure. But you can also use this in your vegetable medley mix. You know, you can take the skin off and just saute it with squash and peppers, carrots. If you wanted at home, if people maybe are a little intimidated by cutting it long ways, you can cut in circles.
Oh, okay.
To eggplant parmesan at home. But since we're rolling it and baking it today, we're going to do it long ways. So just like that, Kelsey.
Okay.
So at home, you could either fry these once again, or you could put them on a cookie sheet with a little bit of olive oil, spray a little olive oil on top, bake them, flip them over like every about 5 minutes. Take about 15 minutes.
Okay.
Flip them on both sides. Now what you want to do is just let them rest for a few minutes, like we have here, so they're pliable.
Making a mess over here, by the way.
That's okay. That's good. I just want to show everybody at home how we do them there. And then what we're going to do today is we're just going to mix ricotta cheese.
Okay.
Put it right in that mixing bowl. You don't have to put it all, but you can.
Oh, okay.
Doesn't matter.
All right. Put it
That's
somewhere.
plenty there. Yeah.
All right.
I would put all that spinach in.
Okay.
It's a healthy dish, it seems like.
Well, especially if you bake them. Yeah.
Yeah.
And then we're going to add. You can never add enough cheese. So this is.
No, that's true.
I agree with that one.
Some Romano cheese.
So this is our filling.
Yep. And then I'm going to add just a little bit of egg, just to bring it together.
Okay.
There we go. Salt, pepper, parsley, right there.
Where's the garlic, Joe?
There's no garlic today.
No garlic.
We'll have to tell Lisa.
Oh. No garlic?
All right. That's great.
Okay.
So what we'll do is I'll just put a couple of these down here.
And you didn't pound those or anything. That's
Nope,
just a
that's
slice.
just breaded just like that, and then I fry these on the stovetop. There's a little bit of mozzarella.
Okay.
And then what we'll do is
Just the Florentine.
Florentini. So like I said, never enough cheese, right?
No, never
So
enough.
this is the easy part. Now that you have your mix, you just want to put a dollop. There we go. There we go. Oh, sorry.
And then you're going to roll it like a sushi roll.
That's it. That's it. See if you don't want to put a little bit of sauce right in the bottom. It's important for that to slide out when you're done.
Yeah,
So
you want to stick to it.
Yeah, all we do is actually just roll it twice like this, and just put the fold.
that's gorgeous.
Just put the fold down so it doesn't open. Just one more roll.
Look at that. Easy
No
enough.
toothpicks or anything
No,
needed?
no. A little bit of sauce on top,
Okay.
as much as you would like. That's beautiful. Isn't that a nice color?
Look at that.
It's
All right.
Christmas. Look.
That's gorgeous. Yes, red and green. I see it.
All right, and all we'll do is
see the vision.
we'll put this in the oven, and then we'll wait about 15 minutes, and then we'll be ready.
All right, we're going to pop that in the oven, and when we come back, we're going to see what the finished product looks like. We'll be right back. Well, during the break, our eggplant Florentine has been baking in the oven, and it's finally time to dig in on this Mamma Mia Monday. So let me move aside.
All right, let's get it
Big
out.
reveal.
It's a little hot, a little warm.
Ooh,
I don't have any feeling in my hands anymore, guys.
a true chef, right?
right.
You've got the calloused hands to
Yeah.
prove it.
So let's go ahead and put a little bit of sauce. We're gonna make it look pretty, right? A little bit of sauce in the center of the dish.
Never too much sauce. That's how I feel.
And then, since we put the sauce underneath, it should,
Just slides right out.
how's that look?
So if you don't put the sauce when you bake it in there, you have a hard time.
You're gonna have a hard time getting it out with a spatula.
Ugh.
This way is a lot easier. Save time. Listen, work smarter, not harder, right?
Yes.
There we go. A little bit of cheese on top.
Worse.
Look at that.
A little snow from the Italian Alps. There we go.
I like that.
Oh, yes. It's a little done.
Just like that.
Just like that.
Wow.
Dinner's ready.
Dinner's ready. I'm ready to dig in.
Hey, would you like to?
I
I
would.
can move.
Here we go. We'll give it a try. So this is eggplant
Let's see.
Florentine.
What do you think?
Florentine, rollatini, Florentine. Yep.
Do you have your fork?
I am ready to
Okay.
go. Let's see here.
Okay.
Oh, wow.
It's gonna be a little warm.
I need a little bit of everything.
Yeah.
One
Right, you
bite.
need it all for the.
Okay.
Whoops.
Go ahead.
Almost lost a thumb there, Joe.
I
Watch
see
out.
that, yeah.
Don't get between me and food.
I was going to say that, and I thought, no.
So we'll have this on special this week at the restaurant. It's, like I said, it's a beautiful holiday dish there. We were just talking off air about holiday parties and stuff. We do have some availability, but they're shrinking up very quickly. So if you were looking to do a holiday party, now will be the time to call and reserve. We have just a couple of days.
And this is going to be on the menu, I hope?
We have that on the menu. Yeah.
I would say I'm not really an eggplant person. I don't know that I can say I don't care for eggplant.
Right.
I don't eat it very much, but it was tender.
You know, this
like
is-
I thought
Yes.
it would be crispier or harder, but it's
Yeah.
very like, almost like a noodle.
Exactly. When you bake it in the oven, it kind of softens up. I mean, this is, people think vegetarians, they don't think hearty dishes, right? This is a nice hearty dish, wintertime, fall vegetarian dish.
Delicious.
Very
And a
good.
go-to.
I mean, it does. It's crunchy. You get the crunchy because it's fried there, and then you've got the filling, which is just
fillings.
mamma mia.
Yes.
That's right. You can personalize the filling, whatever you like. What you want to put in there. If you don't want cheese, you can put seasoned breadcrumb with onions and garlic.
Cheese. Definitely
Cheese.
cheese.
Garlic. What else is going on this week, Joe? Anything?
Yeah, so we have Dining with Denny on Wednesday, which has been a great success. Denny is our local artist, and he does paintings while you eat. So it's, remember the old paint night where people used to paint? This is kind of reverse it, actually watching an artist
That's nice.
do canvas. And then we have our holiday parties coming up, and we have a great special menu this weekend if you want to
I'm
come
sure
in
you
and
do.
All
dine.
right.
And when you go visit Joe, you feel like family when you're at that
Yes, you
restaurant.
do.
That's right.
Everybody, your staff is phenomenal.
They are
there.
Appreciate
phenomenal.
it. Thank you.
Make sure you check it out. Thanks, Joe.
Thank you.